Hey everyone! Today we're checking out the non-toxic glass air fryer. With 360-degree visibility, a self-cleaning feature, and BPA-free, Teflon-free design, it's perfect for healthy cooking. This 6-in-1 appliance lets you roast, bake, and more. Let's dive in. Introducing the Fritair Glass Air Fryer, a kitchen companion designed for healthier and hassle-free cooking. With a 360-degree viewing experience, you can keep an eye on your meal without interrupting the cooking process thanks to its clear glass bowl. Cleaning up is just as easy. Simply add soapy water and let the self-cleaning mode take care of the rest. Powered by a 1500W heater and advanced vortex convection, this air fryer ensures every meal is evenly cooked and deliciously crispy, whether you're making chicken, fries, or steak. It's a versatile 6-in-1 appliance with options like rotisserie, baking, and air frying, including dishwasher-safe accessories, though the glass bowl itself is not. Best of all, the glass bowl is BPA-free, Teflon-free, and phthalate-free, making it a safer, non-toxic choice for health-conscious cooking. This air fryer combines convenience with performance, perfect for those looking to make mealtime both simple and wholesome.